This year's resolution: remove nosy apps from your device. Some apps are plain greedy, like a stranger you invite for a meal who insists on ordering everything on the menu. I walked away, and frankly, we all should be doing the same. Yet even knowing this, I chose to keep Meta's apps on my phone and laptop. So how much do your apps know about you? What happens to the data your apps collect? Your location can reveal a lot about your routines, shopping habits, hobbies, and passions. So it's no surprise that these third parties will pay for that information. In many cases, companies that collect your location data turn around and sell it to brokers, aggregators, and advertisers. So no, your phone isn't listening to you. Your location data can also allow other third parties, law enforcement for example, to infer more sensitive information, such as your religion, sexual orientation, or immigration status. How to protect yourself against threat apps. Read data collection policies. Beware of free apps. Check your phone's permissions for installed apps. Delete unused apps. Protect your device from malware. And finally, avoid apps that don't let you opt out of sharing data with third parties. Stay safe, stay secure, and start the new year off on the right foot. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.